Speed and what? Marks.
Okay. So let's to get rid of some stretch marks.
Yeah. And okay.
It looks like
I think it's not from the first time when you use it.
Yeah, like you'd have to use it over a long time, right?
Yeah. 60 years.
Yeah, maybe 60
maybe,
years.
Yeah.
You'd have to start when you're a baby and you have nothing there. So, why? Why? There was no reason. They didn't give a reason for why she did that. That's okay.
To maybe cool it down or something.
I don't know if I want that texture in my private areas, my private regions.
I don't know. Maybe it's refreshing.
Maybe it's refreshing. Yeah, maybe you're right. But it's
But
slimy.
it's helpful for sure.
Yeah.
There is a lot of hacks around aloe.
You should just like coat yourself in aloe all the time.
Yeah.
Like every day.
Yeah.
Walk into the office, sit down.
Can
Boss
you,
tries to shake your hand. It's nice.
but can you imagine the buff with aloe, this squeezy thing? You know.
A bath with
And
aloe
then
would be
you go-
nice.
Yeah, you will get younger after this for sure. Besides on these hacks. Wow, this is like a lipstick, right?
Yeah.
Look.
Easy removal. Okay.
On-
What else is aloe good for? Blending? Why?
Sugar?
Why?
Coconut? What?
Why? Okay,
Whoa.
so we're blending it all together. Nice green Shrek mixture. And now
What?
you have slime.
Slime for your
That's
key.
it. Yeah.
Theoretically, yes.
Okay.
I believe that it could work.
You believe it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You believe it or not, I believe it.
No.
Look at this shape, right as a leap of her.
It was nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have some aloe mixture. Nice, gross sliminess.
Yeah, these girls.
I like aloe, but at the same time, it is pretty gross.
Well, I'm not sure that.
Unnecessary.
What?
Unnecessary. Cancel 5-minute crafts right now.
No. How are you gonna get rid of it?
I know. She just flicks her hair and it's gone. Now it hit the wall though. It hit her friend in the face.
Couple of teeth.
Yeah.
Done, but you know.
That's okay.
It's okay. Again,
Nice roots.
theoretically good work, I guess. Again,
Theoretically, anything could work.
theoretically. I'm sitting here as an expert. Theoretically, good work, but I mean, it's just my feeling. I'm not an expert.
Okay.
I'm just express myself. Let's.
Get rid of dark underarms with turmeric
Uh-huh.
and aloe. Okay.
Okay, nice cubes.
That's nice.
Wow.
Oh, I want to put that in my mouth.
What a
All right, beeswax.
Interesting, cool.
Mind your
Wishes
own
you had.
beeswax. Huh?
beeswax. Beeswax.
Okay, looks pretty cool. What are we doing with it? Is it like
Uh,
mascara? Yeah.
Wow.
Natural mascara.
But
That's how they used to do it in the olden days when they would go out to the olden clubs and listen to
some fruit. right?
olden Kanye in the olden days. In the olden Lamborghinis with horses.
with horses. Yeah. There is 1 horsepower.
Literally
Yeah.
just 1 horsepower because it's 1 horse.
Yeah.
Unless you're really rich and you have 2 horses.
This
2
is-
horsepower.
Yeah. It's too fast and furious. It could be.
Exactly.
The
Ugh.
2 horse.
This is weird.
Wow.
So what are we doing with this concoction?
This
This reminds me of when I was a kid and I used to make potions. So I used to go to like different restaurants and stuff.
Uh-huh.
You know how they have they have like different types of soft drinks that you can
Okay.
put the thing under and it
Yeah.
So I would get all of those,
Yep.
mix them all together, and then I would get like soap and like different random things like ketchup and like cheese, whatever I could find, and just mix it all together. And I would go out to my mom and I'd be like, I made a potion, and she obviously
Uh-huh.
she never drank it, which made me so sad.
Oh, you make the prank for your mom?
No, it wasn't a prank. I thought I made a magic potion.
Did you taste it yourself?
No, it's for my mom. Okay, so this is for dark underarms. Okay.
Okay, it really works.
I don't know. I don't think so.
Wow, this is
Giving your aloe a nice massage. Honey.
relax the aloe.
Relax the aloe.
Yeah,
Let
can
it
give
slide
you-
out. Okay.
So,
We have some lips. Boom.
Bish,
Bash. Bosh. Okay.
and here we go.
Bob's your uncle.
Yeah.
Okay, so more aloe. What are we going with this aloe? We're putting.
What is this?
I don't know. What is that? Ah, okay. So now we have brown stuff. I wish they said what it was though. It looked it looked like pepper. I wouldn't put that next to my eye.
Yes, it looks like a pepper.
Okay.
But it's some magic power.
Nice skin
powder.
Powder. Ah.
Okay.
Literally radiant. Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's good stuff.
I like the shape of the aloe.
I like it's a satisfying plant
satisfying.
for sure.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's kind of cool.
There is a lot of action.
1 hour.
And
That seems like a long time to just be like, unless you're sleeping.
Yeah. Guess it's kind of healthy.
No.
Oh, if you have a burn.
They really like just squeezing that aloe.
Yeah.
It's making me uncomfortable. Blech.
Actually, this satisfying. They looking for a satisfying action with aloe. And up. Okay. And clean.
You could also use water.
Yes, maybe.
She's like, no, I need to cut open my aloe plant. You don't understand. I'm a holistic medicine practitioner.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you fell over? Let me get the aloe plant and heal you.
Yeah.
No, it's fine. It's just a small scratch. Let me get my aloe plant. Let me.
Let me be healthy.
I saw it on Vogue.
You know, they give a big credit to the aloe.
Yeah, aloe's. It's. I'm not saying it's not good. I'm just
Good.
saying that it can't solve world crisis.
Yeah. Can you imagine? Nobody tried just.
It's like, yeah, they need to do a Pepsi commercial where they solve all the world's problems, but with
Yeah.
aloe.
Yeah. So try it.
Butter.
It's a business model.
Yeah. Essential oil. Which one?
No.
There's so many different kinds.
Be
All right.
precise.
Now we have a nice foam. Is it like a face? Oh, hair cream.
It's a hair cream. For what? To make it.
I guess it makes it softer.
Dirty?
Make it. Yeah, to make it all slimy and gross.
Yeah.
This is a really good hack to get your hair really slimy and gross.
Yeah, but they showed this.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
baby. Yeah, baby. There's actually a really good drink
good?
that has little chunks of aloe in it,
Okay.
and it's sweet. It's
Oh.
like kind of a soft drink, but I would highly recommend it if you hadn't had it before.
Okay. But what do you think? Where else aloe can help you? I mean,
I think aloe could help you do your taxes. I think aloe could
Yeah.
probably help you find a job. Aloe could give you all of the support that your father never did.
yeah, can play baseball.
You can,
with
yeah, you can play catch with aloe.
Yeah.
You can have, if you've never had a best friend, aloe is your best friend now. It's that simple.
Yeah. Oh, sugar.
Yeah. Sugar. Okay, what are we doing with the sugar now? I don't know if sugar is good for your hair, honestly.
Me neither.
It's good for her hair.
It's for cleaning. You know, you remove your old skin
With
the
sugar?
and aloe. It's like a.
I didn't know it was a thing. I would have thought like salt.
It's
maybe.
like a scrubbing.
Yeah,
you
that
know.
makes sense.
So.
But I would be tempted to eat it if it's sugary, you know, if it tastes good.
You need to try it.
I guess I need to try it.
I wouldn't suggest you, but
Don't tell me what to do. I'm going to try it.
okay, you do you.
Okay, moisturizer, nice. I want to see more applications. I want to see more deep problems that it's solving.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like-
I know.
Like you just had a fight with your roommate, and you need to resolve it, and the only way to do that is aloe.
Yeah. The world has more problem than just stretch marks, you know.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
So
Na-
find a way how you can solve it with aloe.
Sometimes you just need a friendly aloe. That's all.
So how many jokes we can
Horrible.
cover?
It's so bad. Okay, so we got more aloe, more lips, more aloe.
We saw
Side
it.
face.
Okay, she looks busy. Oh
No,
dirty
teeth are dirty from drinking coffee.
Mm-hmm.
That happens. That happens. You know what a good life hack is for when your teeth are dirty after you drink coffee?
Yeah.
You can go to the bathroom and rinse your mouth out with water.
Yes.
It's actually, it works.
Okay.
Okay, we're
More
putting
powder.
makeup.
Makeup powder.
Okay.
For and what?
I don't know. Give us more though.
More reactions.
Like right now.